What's a take profit order? That's what we're going to talk about in this short video. All right, imagine that you're following this company. You are super excited about a new product they're going to launch and you want to buy the share price. You're going to buy it at $100 per share. Now, the statement about this new product is going to be released in the afternoon and you have to board a flight because you're going from London to Dubai. So you're going to be busy, unable to trade for 8 hours. Now, what you could do is you put the limit order in the system with your broker. So if the price indeed goes from 100 to 105, then your broker will get you out at the 105 level. How would that work with an MT4 account? Right, so this is an MT4 account that we're not actually watching a share here. We're actually watching something more typical, which would be an exchange pair. So this is the euro against the USD. And it's almost 5 p.m. in London, and it's time for me to pick up my son from nursery. Now, I think the price is going to come lower from here, from 121.26 to maybe 121 by the time I am back. So I could, if I wanted to, hit the sell button here. And you can see there's just nothing that says here, nothing here in the TP section, which stands for take profit. I can just double click and I can put in the level where I want to get out. So I can put 121 and I just click on modify here and a line has been added. Now, if I'm right, I can walk away now. And if I'm right, the price is going to get me out at 121. It's as simple as that. Now here it's just take profit. When you put a position on, it's also recommended to put a stop loss. And you would just click on SL and then you would just put whatever level you think makes sense. So I'm going to put 121.50. Let's see if I can get this right. There we go. The level is now coming up here exactly just above the price. So you can see that if the price goes down, I'm going to make 2.67 pounds. And if the price stops me out, I'm going to get a loss of 1.33. It's as simple as that. You can, of course, with everything is done here, you can modify, so you can drag and drop, which is quite neat. Most of the time when I put a position on, I just put the levels in and then put any random level in, and then effectively afterwards just drag and drop to put them wherever you want to do. Now, so what people usually do is they use some sort of technical analysis to figure out where to put the stop loss and where to put the take profit order. Okay, if you want to know more about that, by the way, we do have premium courses and premium education with ATFX where we do talk about technical analysis and how we use that to optimize our risk and potential profits. But for now, this is it. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to stick with us. We have more content like this, and as well, don't forget to subscribe because we do share weekly market updates as well. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.